This is what happens when customers don't listen to their mechanics. We have a 3.6 liter Dodge Pentastar piece of crap. Had to get into it a while back to deal with a bad rocker arm bearing. Told the guy then that he had to get rid of this engine. It already has 150,000 miles on it, which a lot of engines we were not experiencing these kind of issues with at those ages. We're dealing with gaskets and other stuff, maintenance stuff, not this. I desperately told the guy, get rid of it for his sake, and he did not listen. So we brought it back because it got a cam sensor going off, check engine light going off, replaced the cam sensors. So now the variable valve timing mechanism in there has failed. The light won't go off. You know, we're looking at thousands of dollars just to fix the top end of this thing, just to experience it all over again, because this was a bad engineering design, as you can easily find out with a simple Google search. This is what happens when you don't listen to your mechanic.
Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.